Kia ora, Nathan Mooney here, Property Brokers, Palmerston North. I know you hear a lot in real estate videos, you need to check this out, but in all honesty, you need to check this out. This beautiful 1911 character home has been renovated throughout with all the finer details. On top of that, this beautiful home has a cabin at the rear, got a large garden shed, fully fenced and is close to town. But that's enough from me, let's go through and have a look. The love and care that's been put into this place is absolutely exquisite. Give me a call or come to my next open home. Nathan Mooney, Property Brokers, Palmerston North.